Hi everyone, we're going to dive into the most important highlights from GMO GlobalSign Holdings Q3 2025 earnings release. There's a lot of information, but we'll try to boil down the key takeaways for you.
Yes, I'm happy to do that.
Overall, these are pretty solid results, wouldn't you say? It looks like they're well on track with their plan. Shall we jump right into what's driving this growth and why?
Absolutely. As we look at the materials, we can clearly see a few strong pillars of growth. We should definitely focus not just on the numbers, but also on the strategy behind them.
Let's start with the main figures. Cumulative sales up to Q3 exceeded 15.1 billion yen, which is a 7.4% increase year-over-year. Operating income reached 983 million yen, also up by 20.6%. Net income showed a powerful surge, growing by 33.1%.
That's right. We see two main factors contributing to this strong performance. First is the core digital certificate and e-signature segment. Their original strength, SSL server certificates, saw a big boost from the recovery of overseas markets. Specifically, they're seeing an increase in orders from Europe, North America, and China.
I see. So, their international sales are bouncing back.
It's more than just a recovery. I feel they are further solidifying their position as a global trusted infrastructure.
I see. So, what's the other factor?
The other factor is the rapid growth of their strategic product lines, the services the company has designated as key. Specifically, that's the e-contract service GMO Sign and the ID management service GMO Trust Login.
GMO Sign and GMO Trust Login.
Yes, both of these services are maintaining a high growth rate of over 30% year-over-year.
Over 30%. That's impressive. Both services are absolutely essential to the current digital transformation segment trend.
Exactly. GMO Sign in particular shows stable growth in its ARR, annual recurring revenue, which is up 36.1% year-over-year. It's also noteworthy that approximately 75% of listed companies in Japan are using it.
75%? That's a huge market share.
The high level of market trust and the network effect are massive. This makes it a very difficult service for new entrants to penetrate.
Definitely.
As for GMO Trust Login, the number of paid IDs is also growing consistently.
I see, and it looks like they have some interesting initiatives aimed at solving social issues, too. For example, spoofing email countermeasures. That's something we should all be concerned about, right?
Absolutely, with the increase in phishing scams. In response, they're promoting the adoption of VMC, Verified Mark Certificate, which is essential for implementing BME, brand indicators for message identification. This technology displays a verified company's logo and an official checkmark in the email inbox, allowing users to visually confirm that the sender is legitimate.
I see. That visual confirmation is really handy.
GMO GlobalSign is one of only 3 companies globally authorized to issue VMC certificates, and they are the sole electronic certification authority in Japan to do so.
The only one in Japan. That certainly proves they are a highly trusted electronic certification authority.
Yes, and because of this, they have started offering plans specifically for government agencies and local governments.
That will definitely improve our peace of mind when receiving emails. On another note, there's the issue of the increasing number of unmanaged apps within companies. A real headache for system and security managers, right?
That sounds like a big pain. A new option for GMO Trust Login seems to be solving that problem. It visualizes employees' application usage and automates management, which leads to both a reduction in duplicate costs and enhanced security.
That's quite useful.
Also, the maximum validity period for SSL server certificates has been shortened.
That's right. That's part of the move to strengthen security.
To address this, they are providing a system that allows for flexible management of SSL server certificates. This demonstrates their high level of responsiveness as an infrastructure company.
They also seem to be making progress with AI utilization. The service called Hakaru AI, which uses a smartphone to read analog meters and manage ledgers, is seeing an increase in sales.
Yes, it's one of their digital transformation segment services. The adoption of this service appears to be accelerating, partly due to labor shortages driven by an aging population. Looking at AI utilization further, their strategy of introducing AI into customer support to boost efficiency and then reallocating those freed-up personnel to sales to drive even more growth is also very interesting.
So, to wrap up our discussion on GMO GlobalSign Holdings Q3 earnings today, the main story is the recovery of their overseas electronic certification business and the strong growth driven by their two strategic product lines in Japan, the e-contract service GMO Sign and the ID management service GMO Trust Login.
That's absolutely right. In addition to that, it seems they are laying a solid foundation for the future. Their commitment to new technologies, the stability of their cloud infrastructure segment, and their use of AI for efficiency, which they are then linking to a growth strategy. Their technical ability to design trust is becoming critically important in today's digital society.
That's so true.
Our analysis today clearly shows steady growth in the foundational technologies that support digital trust, and in the services that leverage them. I'm especially keen to keep an eye on their strategy of using AI not just as an efficiency tool, but as a way to reinforce their sales resources. You might find it interesting to imagine the transformations AI will bring to the area of trust-related infrastructure moving forward.
We change experience with IT. GMO GlobalSign Holdings.